Today we are in MIT's new innovation headquarters on MIT's campus in Cambridge, Massachusetts, and we are here for the 2022 Boston GrandHack.
We see it as an opportunity to be part of and observe really disruptive innovation.
We're very excited to be here as InterSystems as a sponsor of this event. It's an incredible, forge of innovation here in a weekend. Our customers and partners use our technology to support over 1 billion patients around the world, so it's fundamental to our business. And we, like others in MIT, are striving for innovation in this space as well.
We at MIT believe deeply that diversity of participants creates diverse teams that can approach all the different facets and complexities of healthcare and then come up with a solution that cuts through that Gordian knot of complexity.
Friday night, teams come together, and all day Saturday, they work with their teams and with the expertise of mentors that we've brought in to work on solutions. And they iterate and iterate and iterate. They build prototypes, and by Sunday, we expect them to have a 3-minute pitch complete to present to a panel of judges with the solution that they've worked on creating for the rest of the weekend.
Presenting and pitching is all about storytelling. You can have the coolest piece of technology, but if you don't know how to present it, and if people don't understand why it is you're building what you're building or what it does, then really your technology or your innovation isn't going to go anywhere. So being able to present, being able to tell a story that people can relate to or connect with is everything in these pitches.
So considering we've been mostly virtual for the past 2 years, I would say the energy here is probably greater than ever. Although our virtual hackathons are very energetic, there's that special energy that only comes together when people are here in one space and working on the same problem together over the weekend.
Every time I walk through the floors, regardless of how tired I am, when I feel the excitement that the teams have, the passion that they have when trying to solve their problems, I always feel a little bit more energized afterwards.
It's really all about democratizing innovation by bringing the power back into the hands of patients, clinicians, and engineers who are trying to solve problems at the grassroots level.
And it's that diversity and the random collisions that make the magic at these events.
It's frankly inspiring to be in among all of these teams, all of these creative minds working very hard over a relatively short span of time to improve things. It's wonderful.
It was awesome. It was intense. There was a lot of drama, a lot of debates, but it was well worth it.
Yeah.
It can't get better than this when your colleagues kind of bless you and give you the blessing that you are on top of your game when it comes to health IT. So I'm on top of the world.
Yeah, the mentors definitely gave us some challenges and fought back against us, and we pushed back against them. So because of them, we're here.
Yeah, it's my first one, and I can't wait to do more.